What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. Of course, you know we got my man Jay Seals in the building.
What's up?
This has been a really behind schedule type of day for me, but it was good because I got some really good sleep. I slept in. I don't know. I guess Sunday is usually like my extra rest days. I don't know, but hope you guys had a great weekend and welcome back to the Trader Shop. Today is going to be quite an interesting day. We got a shortened week, as you guys know, and then volatility wise, I still expect the same volatility. I think the market's still going to be revved up, ready to go, and we'll just have to see what it brings. But we definitely have a ton of catalysts going into this week. I didn't make your traditional plan, but I kind of know where I want to trade. I'm going to discuss that with you guys. First and foremost, please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Also, if you're interested in joining the Discord, the link is in the description down below. It's $40 per month. It's $15 per week. And we'd love to have you guys in there as we're growing our community. But in regards to price this morning, I mean, man, the stocks are going crazy right now. I'm just looking at what's going on over here. But so right now, if we zoom out, I'm going to be playing the NASDAQ today. So to all my NASDAQ gurus out there, I'd love to hear your thesis. But for me, I look at this as kind of like a chessboard analogy, right? Where the low and the high, essentially, this is just how I draw my ranges. It puts me in a box, so to speak. And right now, ES or NASDAQ is at the high of 20,034 through 20,077, and the low is 19,945 through roughly about 19,900. Where we are right now is kind of in the middle. We're sitting at midnight price. Is there something for me to do here? Yeah, but I don't like the idea that's coming to my head. The idea that's coming to my head is get short because, you know, the market's making lower lows and lower highs, but we just came from the bottom of the range. So understanding that, like, I'm just looking to do nothing right here because I don't want to start a position here, even though I think it could work out. So I'm just going to kind of stay hands off in this area. But my plan is to look to short at the height of the range, look to get long at the low of the range until the range breaks. And then once the range breaks to the up or downside, look to play retest off the range, right? We go over to ES, is kind of very similar to NQ. It's just in a different spot in regards to the range, right? So we could actually take this up a little bit right there. Okay. So if you look at NQ, look at ES, they're both sitting at true day, right? Like, so in regards to structure, they're in the same spot, but in regards to how I'm looking at the range, they're in a little bit different. So ES is already at the height of the range, right, which sits at, or approaching the high, sits at 54.40 through roughly about 55.52, so about 10 points of difference at this high here, which gives us a lot of room to trade in. And then at the low is 55.19 through 55.10. But if we zoom out, right, essentially I want to do the same thing as far as execution wise. But if we zoom out, like I talked about in the top-down analysis, I talk about with the Discord, right? I'll say it again on here. I'll continue to reiterate. The market is in one big ass range, right? Just like we have been every time we break above a major high, right? We put in a new high, we come back down and we sit in these big ranges, right? Where we're bouncing between 4-hour supply and 4-hour demand. So if the market is doing this on a 4-hour time frame, then that would explain why I don't have a real true high to trade off of on the smaller time frames in regards to creating new supply or new demand. Have we created it? Yeah, we have. But is it something that debunks the theory that we're in a range? No. So that's why I'm not really marking new supply and new demand. I'm just focusing on the fact that we're in a range, and wherever we are to start the day, right, that's where I'm going to look to trade the range, right? So in regards to the other instruments, the volatility index is one that catches my eye this morning because, again, we're sitting at lows, but we are holding structurally. right? If you watch the top down analysis I talked about on the daily, an inverse head and shoulder potentially forming here, right, where we put in this head down here at these lows, and then the market holds the shoulder right here at 1389. So far, not so good. We haven't broke through the head, but we're definitely looking like we could potentially get more and more bearish, or bullish for the market, bearish for the VIX. I'll be looking for the VIX to hold above 1370. However, if we can hold above 1370 and start to break above 1410, then it's going to let me know that sellers are looking to take over. Just looking at how the London and Tokyo session performed last night, there was a lot of aggressive selling in the market. It didn't break any structure, like any major structure on a higher time frame, but I'm definitely keeping my eye on a potential breakdown today because of the way that we finished the session on Friday. Okay, we are at the low of the range, so it will be the responsibility of the bulls to defend. It will be the responsibility of the bears to break through some major structure. In regards to the stock market, Apple 211, right? It's literally sitting below the previous day low, right? Like, which is normally a sign that we're looking to trade lower, right? You got Nvidia with a nice bear flag back into structure right now. Although it looked bullish, it's a bear flag back into structure, okay? Same thing over here on Microsoft. We got this aggressive dump randomly on a Friday at 1545. I don't know what happened, but usually that's a sign that buyers are starting to get out of their positions at times where retail cannot, right? What better way to dump on people but keep them in their long positions while you're, unloading your sell side positions in a time where they're not even paying attention. 15 minutes before the market closes officially on a Friday, like nobody's paying attention to that. And if you look, every single tech stock did the exact same thing, from Tesla to Meta to Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft. They all dumped at 3:45 on a Friday afternoon. So to me, those are little signs I start to look for when the market is slowly starting to turn bearish. The only last sign that I'm kind of looking for me in regards to confirmation is for the volatility index to kind of step up and get on board with the selling. So those are my thoughts on the market. Justin, I'll toss it to you.
Yeah, for me, I'm kind of the same, but as far as the range thing goes, but I'm looking at the market like we're like double range bound in a way. So if you, I don't really have. Let me grab this. Okay, so we have this range right here, which we're currently in, and then we have the range below that's been basically acting, the upper part of this range has been acting as support for price, right? Like Hobbs was saying, every time we've broken a high, we range, broke high here, we range, broke high here, we range, and kind of created this new range. But this smaller range is what I'm looking to play today. So if we're at the top of the smaller range, 55.48 to 55.44, I'm looking for shorts up here because the smaller range is what I'm looking to play. We did break out of the smaller range on Friday, or Thursday into Friday, which was bullish until it wasn't because we couldn't get above the all-time high. So because we're back in this range, I'm looking to short once we get up here, or if we look bullish, then I'll look to get long down here, but I'm not looking to play the breakdown or the breakout of the smaller range until I actually see it, because it could just be like what we did on Friday, where we break out and then immediately find some sellers, trap buyers up here, and then come down lower. So I'm gonna be really cautious about trying to overextend myself long or short. And it's pretty much the same thing on NQ. It just looks a little bit different because we had this small range here, which again, once we got above it, it acted as support every single time we came back to test it. We did break into it one time, but the lower balance acted as support here. And then we have resistance at the upper balance of this other range here. So again, structurally, they may look a little different in some places, but it's exactly the same. So every time we're down in these lows, we got support. And every time we're up to these highs, we have resistance. So if we come back up here on NQ, about 2020.75 to about 2020.72, I'd be looking for shorts. I'm not trading NQ, I'm trading ES, but still, they match up pretty nicely. And then this 45-minute demand down here has been holding the past couple tests as well for long. So definitely a kind of like balance range inception right now going on. But as long as you can identify the ranges, you can stay out of the trouble of the middle and just play the edges and look for those higher quality trades at the edge. So that's what I got for ESN and Q. Are you frozen?
No, I'm not frozen.
Oh, okay. Get rid of these. Oops. Getting into these comments, Kyle J says, "Yo, the lads, what up, Kyle? Good morning, John." Bomb says quarterly stack. Oh, I don't know what is that. What's a quarterly stack? Good morning, family. Oh, ignore the previous statement. Just getting up. LOL. Okay, I was like, I don't know what a quarterly stack is anyway. Trenio Girl, morning, Discord and YouTube. Good luck this week. Thanks, Trenio Girl. Hopefully you feel better. Not much to do, but wait now. Got the last of the breakdown. Nice, nice. You're welcome, Trenio Girl. Woo. That was perfect. Looks like ES and NQ both starting to sell down here. ES has that weird cloud following price again. That weird liquidity up top and below. What up, the crucial one? Good morning, good morning. We also have some news today. We got PMI at 9:45 and 10 o'clock, so should bring some volatility. We don't normally get that Monday news, so it'll be nice to actually get some extra volatility in the market. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy though. What's Powell doing tomorrow? A policy panel. Yeah, tomorrow should be pretty crazy. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, nice. Hmm. Okay, let's figure it out later. Kyle J says NQ upper/lower option weekly expected moves is 20,248.86 to 19,684.14, pretty much dead on to the top and bottom of the range. Where are you getting that information for the option weekly expected moves? And Gary Wool in the bonus says Hobbs is here with a. What up, Gary? Yeah, where are you getting that from, Kyle? Just out of curiosity. Spot Gamma? Never heard of them. Oh, I'm in another paid Discord figuring out money YouTube guy. He posts them weekly and daily ones. Huh. Never heard of him either. What's Spot Gamma? This is like Unusual Whales. Yeah, this is like Unusual Whales, kind of, sort of. Interesting. Hello, Spot Gamma. Looks interesting. Looks like what we used to use back in our option days. Unusual Whales. Maybe a little different, but that's what it kind of looks like to me. Oh, is it way more advanced? Huh. Interesting. I don't know, it's been so long since I use unusual whales, but they had a lot of stuff. I don't know. Maybe they have maybe they have more stuff now. But I can see where them and Bookmap are kind of very similar. Like,
just when I was looking at the site, it seemed like they had a lot of things that kind of go off of each other pretty nice. Looking at like larger orders and stuff like that. But do they have futures too? It looked like they mainly focus on stocks and options. Spot Gamma, use them with Bookmap when they first partnered up. Yeah, do they do futures too? Just out of curiosity. Oh, okay. Yes, absolutely. Opposite information complements the futures market. Oh, okay. I got you. I mean, that makes sense. Patiently waiting for extreme range. Yeah. Market's about to open. We're already seeing some buying coming in. Looks like we're going to continue moving on up. They moved that liquidity away so quick. Jesus. Looking for bullish behavior today since the following lows have been taken. Pre-market and Asia lows that have been taken. Yeah, I mean Bulls gotta step it up today, but I'm looking for us to stay in this range. Very slow open so far. We do have news in about 15 minutes, so see what happens. PM equals afternoon lows of the previous day. And then Shay says, I'm about 2 weeks late, but happy anniversary, babe. Oh, happy anniversary, Hobbs.
Happy anniversary, babe. Valdez, I hope you playing the Dow this morning. This motherfucker is giga sending right now. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's up almost 200 points right now. 224 points right now.
Jeez, Dow.
Yeah, it sounds like your mic is really far away. Okay. Yeah, it definitely did. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think NQ wants to break through settlement price. We got ES is holding steady. NQ is just dropped, but it's coming. It looks like it wants to come right back up pretty aggressively here. So we'll see what happens here.
Kyle, we don't really choose a specific time frame, but I mean, I watch it on the 1 hour. It just depends on how volatile it is. If VIX gets volatile, if we start pushing up more volatile on VIX, I'll go to a lower time frame. But right now, it's hard to watch it on anything above below a 1 hour, in my opinion. iBomb says I look at the 1 hour with the XY overlay to spot when they're moving together. Nice. Good morning, all. Dow moved up fast. Good morning, Dimitra.
Dow was up 200 points. Yeah, I caught the shorts on NQ down to settlement, 50 points. 77 to 27. Got out at the low. I didn't want to hold it much. I didn't want to hold it much longer past settlement because they still look super bullish on this thing. When I saw Dow's candle, I was like, yeah, I'm getting them out of here. Yeah, maybe. I'll look for a re-entry, but I didn't like what I was seeing. Mm-hmm. Which is crazy, right? Like crazy. Did you put? How many minis did you put on? Okay. Yeah, you know, we got news coming up here, so we'll probably start to push back up. That's why I cut the trade, because I was like, I already know what this is going to be like. I was like, the VIX isn't selling down. The VIX isn't pumping. The market wants to go back up. It's just a matter of time. Trapping all of these late sellers down there at settlement price. Essentially put in a higher low right there on the 15-minute and the 5. But the area matched my range. We were at the top of that range up there. I wanted to get it a lot sooner. Market just hasn't proven that it can trade above true day right now. So as long as we stay below midnight, I think there's opportunity for longs, but the shorts were just looking really good up there. So I took them when we came back up and retested. I don't think the shorts are done though. They keep trying. Push this thing up. If they fail at midnight again, I'm gonna get back in. Shorts just look really strong today. Like they look like they're in control. And I see the bullish activity, but it's not taking us anywhere. It just leads me to believe that the market is struggling at these highs. It looks like we've been up here for quite some time too. Just looking back, since London session, we weren't able to trade above these highs, basically above midnight. I think this is one of those situations where midnight is acting as resistance as opposed to support. See if we can get through settlement here this time. ES is starting to look pretty bearish too, rejecting true day up there. All right. Come on, push through here. There we go. I'm short at 61.50 for a re-entry on these shorts. Took a scalp the first time, very cautiously trailing my stop at this point because we're just in such a dangerous place. If the bears don't flush right through this, then I don't want to be in the trade. Let's see. As long as we're fucking around at settlement price, like this could be a double bottom right here. I'm gonna take another scalp right there. That's 700 on the day on 5 micros. Just scalping this little range right here. That's why I love NQ. I'm probably done for the day on that account. I don't know if I'm going to trade anymore on this account. I took 50 on the first drop, 20 on the second, just targeting settlement price because settlement seems to be the stopping point for bulls right now. And the Dow is fucking going for it. Jesus. All right, that's it. Tomorrow, we're focusing on the Dow. Jesus. Mary and Joseph. And you playing games, man. Just, oh, look at gold. Ah! Oh, gold, I hate you. I know exactly where gold's about to go today, too. I know exactly where it's going to go. Update, I got smacked. I got clapped on gold last. I didn't get clapped. I mean, I lost $90, but still knocked me out of my damn trade, and then boom. Probably about to go right to my profit target. Dow is moving, gold is moving. ES and NQ aren't doing shit. They're just sitting in this range, probably waiting on news. Took a couple scalps inside of this area here. Just understanding where we are in price. Settlement price has been acting as a nice floor for price so far. So I didn't feel comfortable holding my trades beyond settlement. So unless we were going to flush right through it, I didn't want to be in the trade. So settlement is at 927. So, and now you see we're double bottoming off of settlement price and looking to go potentially reverse this market back up. Me, it's just a little indecisive right now. I'm bearish up here. Market seems to agree with me, but then when it pushes back up, it pushes back up so aggressively that I second guess whether or not it's bearish. I'm like, shit, I feel like you bearish. I feel like you want to go down, but just go down, Rocky. Go down. See if we can get another re-entry here right at settlement. If we come back and retest it, if we can break through settlement and come back and retest it, I'll look for another entry. ES is already pushing down, so ES didn't really play those games. It kind of just dropped. So you took that, good on you. Again, midnight seems to be the rejection point now as opposed to the target. It's starting to act like a ceiling as opposed to a floor. We'll see about how long that holds. We're trading down right now into this 950 macro coming up. For me, as long as we're bearish, I don't really care how we come into the macro. Like, I care, but I don't care. I'll be looking at it as a retracement to get short, but I just need to see a little more by these sellers to be impressed here. They look good. I just want to see them take out this low on NQ at 900. We start trading below 900, I think we get busy to the downside. For show, for show. Give us the break. There's the break. Here's the push down. All right, we're coming into this macro. Hopefully we flush and break the structure before we enter into the macro, which means that I'm cool with the retracement, but I want the retracement back into structure, back into that 924 area. Let's get short. Straight dumpage on ES. Let's go. You get them shorts, Jay?
No, it didn't come up high enough. So I'm just chilling now, waiting to see if we come back down and test the bottom part of the range.
15 minute looks good. God damn, the Dow is sending. Fuck! This thing's up almost 300 points. NQ straight to the floor. That mowing your lawn today?
I don't think that's my lawn. I think it's my next door neighbor's.
Nice push down on NQ. Got a little retest of that. I got a little entry at 27. Trying to max out this day here with some of those profits. I took double the size, so let's see what happens here. Come on down, girl. Girl, you better go, girl. Come on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're schmoving. You can do it. I believe in you, NQ. When others didn't believe, I believed in you. Yeah. Make it happen. Whew. We having a morning. Okay. Okay, NQ. All right. Okay, NQ. I see you, B. 173 ticks. This is crazy. What a fucking morning. Let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Yeah, I really like NQ just because it gives me a lot of versatility, right? Like I was able to scout that move a couple times. And then once I was sure the move was coming down, I got in full size with the profits. And now like I'm at break even, putting my stops in profit, right? Like my day is pretty much done. I'm locking in well over $1,000 on the day, no matter what happens. So let's get it. You guys that entry as well. Yeah, I knew that was a bear trap. I was sitting here waiting on it. I was like, yeah, all right. Yeah. Bring your ass down. Let's get it. Let's go to work. Let's get this money. 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 Come on, flush. Flush. You know you want it. Come on. Doing this on so low volatility on the volatility index right now. All right, we're almost to max profit on the day. I don't think I can make more than 3,000 on this account, so got to close this trade soon. We're up about 1,800 on the trade. Once we lock in 2,300, we gotta go. We gotta go. Let's go. 344 ticks. Let's fucking rock. Let's rock. Let's make this everyday occurrence, boys. Come on. Flush, goddammit. Flush. Locking in 200 ticks on that right there. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock in half the position right there. So we'll buy back 50% of the contracts right there. And then because we're at demand right here, I don't want to mess around and give all the profit back. So I'll just manage the trade like that. We locked in 5 contracts right there. And now we're pretty much done on the day. We're just going to try to see if these last 5 micros can kind of play the part, right? I expect this 950 macro to take us back up a little bit. And then I want to be out of this trade completely at 1010. around 1010, 1150 is where I want to be out of the trade. Now it's kind of like stress free, right? Like we're up 70 handles on the last 5 contracts, but we want to see if these contracts can take us to the floor. I think the middle of this demand zone and potentially the low down here at 729 is the target, right? So just depends on where I'm going to play this one based off time. So whatever we're doing inside of the 1010, on the other side of 1010 is where I want to kind of be out of the trade. So
there's 500 orders sitting at 5520.75 on ES, just so you know.
I don't care.
Okay.
But right now, like, we're potentially pushing down further. We're at demand right here, right? We've already secured profit. We're locking in the majority of our contracts. The market can't do anything to me. So I didn't mean that disrespectfully. Like, I just don't care like what the book is doing, because a lot of times I'll see that and that'll change my thesis on what I want to do on the trade. And right now there's nothing on the structure that's telling me to even worry about this trade. So I'm not going to allow the book to have me worry about the trade either. And I'm not trading ES, I'm trading NQ. So
I didn't take it that way. I just thought I'd give you the information. That's all.
I appreciate you. I just felt when I heard myself say it out loud, I felt that like that was kind of rude. Well, welcome back, sir. Welcome back. Look what the fucking cat drug in. What the fuck do you want? Oh, okay. Go ahead. Where's your stop loss? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. I just wanted to know. You getting long? All right. Where's your stop it? Yeah. Ain't no problem with that, man. No problem with that, bro. I hear that. I hear that 100%. Facts. No, the original trade was at the tippy top. I just scalped it down until I was sure. The original entry was at 77, and I scalped it for 50 points to 27. Then I scalped it again for 20 points. So then when I got in the last entry, it was I was basically basing it off settlement. So if you see my entry, you see exactly where settlement price is. Settlement price is at 27. Once I saw the market wanted to trade below it, I knew that it would be a nice flush right there. So No. I said 50 points. Yeah, so I took it. I scalped it on 5 micros from 77 to 27, and then I got short again for 20 points. I don't see what my entry was, but yeah. It was really nice up here. So I'm trying to hold these runners, but I'm getting a little nervous here. But let's try to sit through this right now. Dow is rejecting previous day high right now. I would really just like just once for the VIX to be on board with all of this selling. That's all I want. One time. Let me beat you one time, VIX. All right, here come these buyers. We get above 87, I'll be done with the trade. All together. Locking in an additional 168 ticks for $400. Bulls are coming up really aggressive from that demand zone. And I'm out right there. Good trade. Good trading day. All done. Done.
Good job,
done
bro.
on the day. Thank you. If you're in these longs, hey, thank you. Yeah, nice area to get long here. I think that this could be potentially the scalp, however. So I would just be careful to don't take it too far, right? Like, so yeah, I would run it up, but I wouldn't run it too far. So just be careful if you're getting long on this.
We also have news in a couple seconds.
Yeah.
Like a minute.
Nice. Easy peasy. Yeah, good call, Jay. Hey, that's the warning you should have gave me. I'd have got out of that shit at the low. I'd have like, and I'm out. I definitely forgot about the news at 10. I definitely forgot. But it's all good. We managed it correctly, regardless of the news. So, oh, man, I love it when a plan comes together. Dude. Day one. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. Let's go. Yo, gold and the Dow are doing some strange shit on this news right now. They're spiking up and down very aggressively. You see that? They're spiking like a motherfucker. It's manufacturing news, so that would make sense for both of them to be acting stupid. NQ's about to run this high. I'm glad I got the fuck up out of that trade. Look at this shit. No chill, just straight up. Let's see what it does back at settlement. See if we can get a potential re-entry here. Yeah, I think Valdez took it. He took it, made some money on it. No, I don't want to long this. Anytime I see the market come up like that, I'm looking to short that bitch back down. Especially if we can't trade back above settlement. I'm like, oh, okay, no structure, bet. That's a good scalp, though. Let's see if we can get above the high. I'm looking for shorts in this area here. NQ looks very strong on the 1 minute. Yeah. As long as we continue to reject settlement midnight area, like I'm going to continue to look for shorts. The minute we break above that, then shorts are off the table. Man, gold is really, really tempting me to go trade it right now. Like it keeps dancing around my entry at 23.32. Bro, this shit, gold low key be showing me way too much leg. I'm like, look, man, you better quit playing with me. Gold. All right, this looks like a nice rejection up here. Watching it closely on the 30-second chart. Yeah, all that aggressive buying we just got immediately met with more selling pressure. So kind of makes me interested in shorting this market again. So we'll see. See if we can trade back above settlement or not. What do you want to do here, sir? I feel so much better like scalping on NQ than on ES because there's so many moves on NQ that it's like, damn, that's 50 fucking points right there. All right, I'll take that. $500, thank you. Just from a proper entry and you know, yeah, what'd you get in it? 09, nice. Yeah, I was about to say, whatever your entry target is for NQ, sometimes you just got to be a little bit more patient, and then NQ will run the high and give you the actual entry. So I'm just going to be patient here. If we put this lower high in here, I'm very interested on the 30-second time frame. Still looking bullish right now, though. Be careful. We should reject this area, though. Like, we over here bullshitting. Like 10-10, we need to be out of this thing and be coming back down. What are you gonna do here, NQ? The gift and the curse of playing this fucking Lambo over here is the jumpiness. All right, I'm gonna take it right there. I'm gonna get short right here. Stops above settlements. Small size, just 5 micros. Entries at 911. I think we're wrong above 930, so risking about $200. We're well in profit on the day, so if we lose this trade, I'll shut it down. And a little bit of drawdown here by about 26 ticks. We're risking about 72 ticks on the trade. So a little less than $200. Do it look like we're getting a lot of absorption on the book? I'm not watching it. Should be a lot of absorption at the high. Yeah, it should be like a lot of buying at the high, but not moving price. A lot of big bubbles coming in, but not moving price. Yeah, risk is managed. If we get stopped out, the only other place I'll look to re-enter is up here at a 48-ish, and anything below midnight, I understand should usually be quote unquote a buy, but these bears look like they might be trying to take over the day. But the fucking VIX is at 79. Jesus Christ. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking the VIX, but I hold to my invalidation point. And if I lose, I close the account. If I win, I close the account. Or the account closes me. Come on. Push it, push it, push it, push it real good. Come on. Get through the low. Get through the low. All right, back in drawdown by about 34 ticks down. Yeah, this doesn't look good. All right, stopped out there. Done for the day on that account. Aggressive buying is coming in at these highs. I'm not opposed to going and trading another account. I'm not opposed to trading another account, but I'm kind of content with not trading another account today. Like I'm very comfortable with my trading day today. So 3 wins, 1 loss. The wins are exponentially larger than the losses. So I'll take that. I'll be done. Yeah, GC is a temptress. You got that right. She on that bullshit. That's the candle I was talking about, though, Valdez. I was talking about that fucking candle. I knew that candle was coming. Where NQ sweeps the high and then fucking starts to flush. I was like, man, come on, man. Don't do it. Don't do it. You don't have to sweep the high, NQ. It's like, it's not necessary. You could just go down like a regular instrument, right? Like you don't need to sweep the high. There's just so much buying. Like there has to be a ton of buying going on right now because the VIX is down to 75 right now. This thing is dropping. Yeah, that's it for me on the day, guys. I'm done for the day. I am done. That was fun. Oh, that's gonna hunt me. It's gonna hunt me, Valdez. Come on, tell me you got back in, Valdez. Tell me you got back in. Make me feel better. You did? Okay, good. At least the squad got it. All right. I knew that was gonna happen. I freaking knew it. You gotta wait for that sweep, man. It just be looking so good before the sweep. It's like, damn, maybe it won't sweep this time. And every time it can be like, dumbass. Ooh, look at that flush. Shit. Right at 10-10 too. Oh, should have just waited on time. Oh my God. Note that for the channel. Saturday when I go back and review this, slap yourself on the back of your head on Saturday and you say, you should have waited on time, smarty pants. Damn. Right at 10-10. Must be random, huh? Must be fucking random. Damn. That was beautiful, Valdez. Good trade, brother. Good trade. Damn, that was pretty. Question is, can we trade lower into the low? Can we trade lower? You take them shorts up there, Jay?
No, I was looking along the market on a pullback just based off of the consolidation that we had on the rally. And came back into my area and flushed straight through. So I'm still flat. We're going to see what we do here at these lows. See if we actually hold them. But we're looking real bearish. So I don't expect us to.
Yeah, the structure that I was just looking at that rally because we didn't build any true structure, at least on NQ, on when we pumped out of that area. So when we came up aggressively, that's why I was like, if you're longing this, probably just look to scalp this until we build some type of structure. If we hold this consolidation, then you're good to go. But if we don't hold this consolidation, which I don't expect us to, because it looks like ES is flushing straight through everything. And if ES is flushing, then, and there goes the VIX back to the upside. Yeah, this thing's done. Let's go, Valdez. Print, baby, 1, 2. Print, baby, 1. I don't think that was a cool thing to say. I apologize for my antics today. I'm euphoric. Apologize. That was super duper lame right there. It just happened. Yeah, ES is flushing way harder than NQ right now, which tells me NQ probably is about to take out this demand zone. I think the reason why is because ES doesn't have demand until 5503. And for the first time, we're finally going back to test that 5503 level. So if ES flushes right through 5503, God, NQ is going to dump. NQ is going to dump.
This level is important on ES. This level's bounced ES like 3 other times or 4 other times, something like 1.
Yeah. This is the low of the range that I got that same level too.
Yeah, it's like 6 times ES has bounced down here. If this doesn't bounce here, then we're coming down much lower.
Yeah, I'd have to concur.
We'll see.
NQ gets through 841. I think we're gonna see the 700s today. Oh boy.
Yeah, there's a lot of selling.
Oh boy. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Might be Print City, boys. Let's go, Valdez. Print. He said, I'm just trailing at this point. I don't give a fuck what this motherfucker do. Let's go, Valdez. Valdy. Let's go. I'm back, baby. Fuck ES. No, I'm just kidding. No, I love you, ES. I'm not playing because you out here flushing too. ES out here doing God's work right now. Oh, Lord Jesus. Woo. All right, we got through. NQ just broke through that key level at 842. I expect to see the 700s now. Especially looking at this candle that ES is delivering with the pressure from the VIX. Now the VIX is on board with the move. Market is continuing this aggressive sell-off. Somebody about to hit max profits on the day. Wait, are you in the funding, Valdy? I'm calling your girl. Be like, yeah. So he said range or sport. Range or range sport. Let's go, Valdy. Print. Come on. Dump this trick. Right, like just keep following the structure like everybody else, you know, like you ain't gotta do nothing crazy. Hey Valdy, you know I had to get back in with you, bro. I'm done now. You know I'm done on the day, bro. Let's go. Ooh, I had to spin the block. I just wanted to make sure you was riding with me. I'm done. Okay, now I'm done. I'm done on the day. Another 304 ticks. That's max profit on the day. I'm done. 3K done. Woo! Ah! Let's go. Let's fucking go. Ah! All right, I'm done. Next. Who's next? Let's go. The grind continues, baby. Let's go. All right, I'm completely done for the day. Now I'm done fucking around. I'm done. I don't need no more. I'm good. NQ smoke session in the shop today. Keep grinding. You got that screenshot about this? I was gonna drop it on the Twitter page. Or yeah, that shit melted. Yeah, that shit was melted. That shit was melting, bro. I was like, yo, if he think I ain't gonna spin the block, yeah. I was like, if he think I'm not gonna spin the block on these motherfucking shorts, he got another thing coming. I want to see what he gonna do. Let me see what he gonna do up here. You know me by now, Valdez. Yep. Now we're looking for me, I would be looking, I'm not trading anymore, but for me, I would be looking for the previous low and the previous high to be retested to continue this short activity. But understanding right now, we're at massive higher time frame demand on ES and NQ. So be careful with the shorts down here. Yeah, and on the Dow. So if you're going to look to get short here, be very, very careful. I would probably be looking to get long, but my entry's already been gone. So I think where Valdez and I cut the trade was spot the fuck on. So yeah, no, it's looking way too aggressive. But yeah, Dow would be a good entry here, but I just don't like the candle structure that the Dow gave. But I do like what's happening with NQ. NQ's gone.
Ooh, Jesus.
You take the longs down there, Jay?
No, no. I did not. If we can come back down and retest though, and hold, I'll look to get long based off of this buy.
Yeah, we should get a retest because this looks like this looks like the area where the market wants to change character. So we should get that double bottom that comes into play. So maybe we go up and take that high on ES and then come back down and retest and you can get back in. NQ's fucking, god damn, that's a 100-point candle. That's a 100-point candle right there. That's how you get out of the trade, bro. That's how you get out. God damn.
They're giving it all back.
They gave all that shit back, bro. Come on. Yeesh. Fucking nuts, bro. Fucking nuts. Bad behavior. Bro, this is a NQ. Come on, bro. Come on. Bro, yeah, we'd have been smoked right here back in the old days. This was the old you. This is growth right here because the old you would have held this shit all the way back up. And that's what the market would have been banking on. You see how it's not giving anybody an opportunity to get out or get in? That's called a fucking stop hunt right there. Them motherfuckers was like, I dare you to hold this shit past this demand zone. I double dog dare you. And that's why you trail, baby. That's why you trail. When you're in an area, when you're trading against the higher time frame trend, you have to trail. Yeah, you have to trail. Because when they hit the higher time frame zones, until proven otherwise, they're trying to fucking send giga send. You do not want to be in that path at all. Jeez. What a day. That's how you fucking dog walk the morning. Get out of my way. Move. God damn it. Happy anniversary, babe. Sorry. You know we always forget shit like that. I love you every day. Every day. Every day, boo. Every day. You feel me? Irie. So that's why Gold didn't want to fucking do anything. It actually is trying to come down. That's why. Ooh. If Gold breaks this level, I may have been wrong, but damn, this shit gonna be sturdy. See, you see that Dow? You see that on the Dow, Valdez? You see why I said I wouldn't take that trade on the Dow just yet? Just because the Dow was, I don't know, like it still could give you what you want. It just structurally, it wasn't behaving like I would like it to. I would have much rather been long on the ES or NQ. Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I don't need no more. I mean, this. Oh yeah. This candle would need to come all the way, bro. What the fuck, bro? What is it, bro? NQ, bro. ES is up 21 fucking points from that bottom, bro. I'm sorry, 17 points from the bottom. NQ is up 123 points. Bulls, baby, let's go, James. Bull, yeah, you ain't lying, bro. Like, babe, but I made my money. Get the fuck out. I was like, I'm short bias up here, but I'm trailing everything because I don't trust them either. You know what I mean? Like I'm with y'all. Whenever I say I'm getting short, best believe I'm trailing that shit. So I think we played it. We managed it well. We ended the day max profit on the day. We only got a couple thousand to make left on this 100K. So I'm very proud of the way I'm trading. It's not about the profits. I did size up today because I was feeling very confident in my ability to enter these trades. And I started with the 5 micros, got a couple scalps in, took a loss, got right back on the horse with double the size. Not because I was chasing or I felt FOMO. No, it was because exactly what I thought would happen happened. And there was no reason not to re-enter because I had a plan for re-entry. So I got when we swept settlement at 27, I got right back in. And I think my entry was, my entry was at 91475. We took it for, let's go. Yeah, all my entries, whatever that I just talked about are on the Twitter page, guys. So if you guys want to check them out, they're over there. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I may fuck around and trade the PM session, maybe, in a different account. I still got to work on that 150K. That thing's resetting soon. So if it doesn't reset, I'm comfortable with. I mean, if it gets to reset and I don't finish it, I'm comfortable with it. I could have finished it today, but I really like these 100Ks. That's where my focus is right now. I feel like it just gives me the right balance of not too much profit that I got to get to. And then it allows me to build a cushion on the 5 micros and then feel very comfortable adding to a heavier bag. You know what I mean? Like I felt really comfortable adding to my positions. The only thing I regret is not holding that initial position, because that initial position from the 77 level could have saved me a little bit of grief and heartache, right? So if I would have got in at 77 and just held it, it would have been a 150 point trade straight to my target, which was 852.50, right? But I say regret, but I don't really regret what I did because I managed it well, right? Like I didn't overstay my welcome. I had a target in mind, and if we didn't break that target, I just got out. So I'm not gonna say it's regret, because I even though I didn't hold the trade, I ended up scalping and making more money out of the trade. So I'll take those. What a good day to scalp. Let's get it, Eddie. Yeah, I really like going back to NQ because I feel like the 5 micros on NQ mixed with the aggressive movement of NQ allows me to really be versatile with my trades, especially the management of my profits. I am so amazed with this 100-point rally. Like, what the fuck? This is crazy. This candle don't even look that crazy. It just ended up printing so fast on the 15-minute. Like, it took everybody out. There's so much short squeezing going on right there. Poor bulls. Poor bears. They always think they got a shot. They don't stand a fucking chance today. They gave me the opportunity though, so I'm with y'all. I fucks with y'all today. Just it ain't looking good for y'all right now. We start trading back above 27. I mean, we're already above 27. Never mind. If we get back above midnight, the target's gonna be London highs up there, right? Like so. Valdez, today might be the closure day for your trade, brother. Because as you know, Monday likes to put in the low. Monday likes to put in the low of the week. So if that's the case, you can say goodnight to that damn paper trade. You can say goodnight to that damn paper. I know you're not cutting. I know. Damn, you fuck with them? I fuck with who? What you talking about, James Bull? Oh no, you talking about the Bears? Yeah, I mean I fuck with them when the area is right, when the price is right. Yeah. I just know how to behave now, right? I used to fuck with the shorts and like every time I see an area where I'm like bulls could bounce, I'd be like, nah, the Bears should be able to push through this. And I would be sadly mistaken. I've learned how to trade the shorts. I'm cautiously optimistic about shorts, right? Where it's like, all right, yeah, the VIX is rallying. All right, cool. You heard me say it. Oh, okay, the VIX is rallying. We're getting aggressive to the downside. And then one of my Discord members was like, yeah, I'm trailing. I was like, you know what? Let me do the same thing because I don't trust these bears like that. Like, I don't fuck with them like that. So I fuck with them, but I don't fuck with them. You know what I mean? So. He said, I don't trust these motherfuckers for shit. I had a level, so I was like, okay, I'm good at least to 852. And then we started flushing through 852, and I'm like, ooh, are we going to dump to the 7s? And yeah, no, we did not. I still think there's a chance, though. So you're telling me there's a chance. Because even though all that buy-in just came in, we still didn't take the swing high, you know? So. When I say there's a chance, I mean tread lightly, motherfuckers. Tread lightly, because NQ, man, these bulls are incredible on NQ. They are fucking incredible. Incredible! All right, Tesla has lost its ever-loving mind back in the 200s. Microsoft is trying to get above that previous day low and target all-time highs. Apple has left the motherfucking building. Meta is getting flushed out for whatever reason. Amazon's looking good and healthy. Nvidia swept the low just like NQ did, and now looking to get back above the previous day low and start putting some sellers underwater here. All right, this is that heading into that 1150 macro is where I try to start to either get out of my trades or, you know, look to be kind of hands off. definitely between that next macro, the close of 11:10.
You mean 10? You mean 10 o'clock?
Did I? No. I meant the next macro. So the 10:50, 11:10 macro.
Yeah, you said 11. You said 11:50.
No. I was saying. What I was saying was 10:50 to 11:10, but I definitely want to be out of the market between the 11:10 and 11:50 macro.
No.
Yeah, that's that lunchtime consolidation is a. Yeah, right. I can fit you in. I can fit you in between 11:10 and 11:50 if you're not doing anything. you don't have anything on your schedule, you know. Or is it 11:10, 11:50, or is it the next one? I think it's the next one. I might have that mixed up. I think. No, I mean, I think it's the close of the 12:10, right? No, 12:10 is when PM session starts. I am dickhead. 11. I think it's 11:10 to 11:50. I think that's the time that I hate. I'm gonna find out because as soon as it shows up, I'm like, and there it is. After the one that's upcoming, right? The 10:50. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, it's that little space right there. I'd be like, and I'm going for my walk. I'll see you guys later. Nah, he's being patient, man. He hasn't seen his setup. You know, everybody doesn't trade the same, guys, right? So like, let that man do what let him cook. He knows what he wants to see, and he hasn't seen it yet. So when he sees it, he'll take it. But you know, I've just learned to let people trade how they want to trade, man. Like, regardless of how many trades I take, I'm me, right? I train the way I train, right? So Justin trains the way he trains, right? So however he looks to trade, he hasn't seen his setup yet. And when he sees it, he'll execute. I saw my setup at the top. I saw my setup at the bottom. But instead of taking the retracement, I took an additional short. I was wrong once. I was right 3-4 times, right? And I ended up being net profitable, right? I saw my setup at the lows, but it was hard getting in the long when I was coming off the shorts, right? Like that's a really hard transition right there. So I didn't even want to attempt to do that. So looks like more failure though. After all that buying came in, looks like these bears are ready to come back down. They're not taking out swings, right? Like we're aggressively buying inside the intermediate trend. And look at the Dow. Jesus Christ, this thing's dumb.
There it goes. All right. Yeah, I got short at 21.25 on ES when we started to reject. So
there you go. Yeah, quit talking your shit, JH Bull. He saw his setup. He took it.
Yeah, I'd been short for a little minute. I almost didn't get short, but I'm gonna be trailing this kind of aggressively just based off of what happened. I don't want to. I don't want to let this go red on me just because we were really bullish down here. This could be the double bottom. I'm only looking for the low though, so
yeah,
we'll see what happens.
I just say take a page out of me and Valdi's book.
That's exactly what I'm.
We was trailing the hell out of them stops and them shorts, bro. I do not trust these motherfuckers.
not the way that the bulls come back up aggressively, but that was that consolidation on the opposite end that I was looking to hold to be a bull. It held to be a bear on the opposite side. So yeah,
I would just for me and the way that I trade, I love your entry. Like your entry is sauce, right? I love that, but I would be protecting the fuck out of this shit because of the fact, like you said, we rallied 14 points off that low.
Yep.
So either we're going to double bottom or we're going to bounce right here, right? Because this is the previous high and previous low. So
yeah.
Because I know your original plan was to get long on the pullback and then you took the short.
That's why I'm protecting myself just in case.
Oh my God, NQ.
Here they come.
Jesus. Oh my God, this thing is ready to act a donkey. Yeah, whenever I see aggressive buying like that come out of an area, it's very, very hard for me to get short against it. But like I said, I love your entry and I love your thesis. So like if it's going to be a scalp, then it's a good trade. But if it's going to be a hold, it's a scary trade to say the least. But it could get busy. You know, every time we buy up, they're absorbing that shit at the highs. That's what you want to see. That's beautiful. I like that. Let's see if it rejects completely. Because you know everybody's super bullish, just like me right now. Right? Everybody wants to get long based off that big ass candle that just happened. Nobody's really looking to get short, which is probably why this short will most likely work out. You know?
Yeah. So it was just my area. I spotted it. I noticed some absorption, so I just decided to give it a test. I gave it like 4 points because I wanted to give it the box, and we never broke that high at 24. So
look at JH, the bull said we about to go up. That don't look like that on ES. Yeah, ES chart definitely don't look like it's about to go up. This motherfucker looks sick. See what happens. Somebody gotta win, somebody gotta lose, man. That's what it is.
We'll see. You don't want to double bottom here. Want to see this low break.
You want to break through this structure. I like it because we also never broke the swing high. We're coming up aggressively, but we're not going anywhere. Like, we're not breaking any significant structure on the way back up. So YM is fucking flushing, and so is gold. They're dumping everything right now. This might be another short opportunity, honestly. Yeah, I like it. Let's go, baby. Print, baby. 1, 2. Yeah, it's too far gone for me. I just looked to try to analyze it and see if there was an entry for me, and I'm like, my stop would need to be at 54. That's a 40-point stop. I'm not giving that. So this shit it's out of my box right now. But if it comes back though, if it's good, it'll come back to you. You hear? Oh yeah, let's go, Justin. Print. Make sure you get that screenshot, bro. Print.
Let me take it now.
Yeah, while you in profit. Oh, what you said? Let me take it now because I don't trust these bulls.
It's not just that. I'll forget.
Facts. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Man, we broke below there now, so it'd be good.
Yeah, that 21 should be a valid high now. If we can just fucking drop below the low, though. We gotta break that low. Fucking NQ, relax.
Yeah, here comes the yes again.
If what's the name was here, Malik was here, I was about to say Jamal. If Malik was here, he'd say, "Yeah, I like it when they squeal." he love when the shorts start off slow. He'd be like, "Yeah, I like that."
He got a problem.
Oh man. We could go up. Well, I mean, by the time we go up, Justin will most likely be out of his trade. I mean, he's up 7 or 8 points on the trade right now. I mean, that's a trade on ES, right? Like, that's a good ass trade on ES. I don't like what I'm seeing at these lows. I've been, whoosh. Let me shut up because I don't want to.
Nah, I see him. There's some buying coming in for sure.
Dump this chick. Oh man, the 15-minute looks so good though. At least on ES. NQ's 15-minute still looks like a fucking rocket ship candle, but if they take it out, oof.
Yeah, this 15-minute candle's eating up that previous 15-minute candle.
Let's go, Jay.
A base and a drop. We'll see.
Let's go. It's looking good on the 5 too. On NQ. ES looks good on the 15. Hold on, let me. After we get through this low, I'm gonna throw up this comment real quick because I want to. Hold on. There we go. You sure? You sure, JH the bull? I love it. I love it. I love that we can all like have our differences of opinions, right? And then like, you know, the market has to decide, right? I see bullish activity. Justin sees bearish activity. JH the Bull says we're going up, and we very well could. That's your target right there. Right?
Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, almost. I'm about to get out this position though. I don't like this pull up right here.
Justin.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. It's a perfect double bottom right there at 5507. That was a 14-point move to 07, bro. You gotta take that shit. That's cash. That's your whole trade right there. That's your plan right there. Gotta take that shit. Because you know these bulls is lurking. Look at them. Look at these motherfuckers. Lurking. Let's see if they break these lows though. 5505, come on down. I don't think so. I think that if they were going to break the low, the VIX would have got really aggressive right there, and it just didn't. Which leads me to believe this is a double bottom. This is your 4 and your 5 of the sequence, right? So let's see if it holds. The only thing is, well, this might not be your 4 and 5 because we didn't really get a break of the structure yet, like a change of character yet. So let's see what happens. I guess we did get it up here at 36. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens. There's your second out right there.
Potentially.
Market's like, all right. This motherfucking macros come up. We'll see what's good. Let's see what the stocks are doing. Apple, meh. Pulling back a little bit, but nothing to ride home about. NQ's still in bearish character. Microsoft's still in bearish character from the pre-market. Yeah, everything's just kind of consolidating, probably waiting on 1050. I'm more inclined to believe we're about to go up from here, though. Just based off that double bottom on ES and the higher low being put in on NQ. Tell him, baby. Tell him. Don't be greedy. He had his target. He just didn't take it. Don't be greedy, man. You had a perfect trade. And now you're praying price comes back down instead of just taking it at your exit. Don't be greedy, brother. That's what my wife wrote my rules over for me. She was like, stop being greedy. You're killing these trades. Like, stop being greedy. That's why I started trailing, because I'm like, and hitting my profit targets more often. You know, if it's going over 50 to 100 points, like, I'm just trailing because my target is at 50. So if your target is at the low and we get down that close, shit, what's a couple more points? You know, your target was 5505, price came to 5507 within 2 points of your target. But now it's 7 points away from your target.
Yeah.
That's you know what I mean? Like, that's a negative ratio going back the other way against you. So even if you win this trade, it's just unnecessary stress, at least for me. That's the way I look at it.
Definitely stressful.
Yeah. I would just feel much better if I cut it at the low, even if it drops, right? And I'm like, fuck, I could have got way more. I got something out of the trade. I got my target out of the trade, right? And then if it comes back up, like here, now I could potentially look to re-enter the trade if I still like it short. I wouldn't, because I like it down to the long side, but it could still flush from here, you know? But now you have the flexibility of having that profit in your pocket and that stress gone. So it's like, okay, I already made one good trade. Now let me see if I can look to re-enter basically into the same trade, or hold the trade just like you're doing. So there's definitely 1,000 ways to skin a cat. My wife down here is all capping you right now. Said, take your money. Yeah. Yep. He has his process. LOL. Yeah, I know Justin's process, and trust me when I tell you, if this trade goes to break even, Justin's gonna be flustered by it, right?
I will be a little pissed. I'm not gonna lie.
He's gonna be flustered by it. Like I know his process, right? But if it goes, yeah. About this until 10. But if it goes in his favor, then I guess the stress was worth it. I'm just in the business of being stress free when I trade now. So like I'm just done trying to focus on these huge targets unless the market gives it to me right away. NQ was printing right away, so it was easy to hold. I'm like, I'm not gonna cut it if it's flushing right through. But with right now, ES is trying to give him an opportunity to get out, and he's ignoring it, right? And I can only say it, you know, but again, it's his trade. He can manage it how he wants to. But the trade, the entry and the exit was clearly defined, and he got there, you know. And when you don't take that profit, it'll haunt you, you know. It'll send you on tilt.
Yeah, no, I just got out right there.
Now you get out, but don't be upset if it does the opposite, right? If you got out, you got out. You know what I'm saying? Like you got to.
I think the market's about to reverse here based on what I'm seeing.
But even if it doesn't, be comfortable with what you did out of the market. Like regardless of what the market does, take your 10 points and move on to the next trade, right? Yeah. You had the opportunity to secure 14. You know, the Dow has left the fucking building to the downside. This shit is flushing. My wife said, what's the definition of insanity? You leave Justin alone. He's not insane. You get drunk. The market gets you drunk. Like we all do it, right? But you have to consciously make the effort to do something different, because if holding trades, right, over and over and over again isn't working, right, but you continue to go back to do it, it's not insanity. It's just you have to realize, look, man, when you get the opportunity and you set a plan, the plan should be the thing that keeps you from doing the dumb shit, right? But if you don't follow the plan, then you're going to continue to do the dumb shit, right? This isn't dumb what Justin was doing by any means, but it wasn't in his plan, right? That's what I was telling him. Like, your plan was to get the low. Yeah, I know, but you got the low. Yeah, I know. Okay. You know, because you never know what the market's going to offer to you, right? Right now, it looks like the market wants to give him his original plan. But what happens if we get into that macro and we shoot right back up, you know? Take what the market is giving you at the time the market is giving it to you, right? Because you never know what's going to happen next. That's why you have plans, you know? That's all I'm saying. $10.50 macro should take us up and then dump us back down later. Let's see what happens. Well, I mean, it doesn't have to take us up. It could just take us back into structure to start flushing. But right now, the structure is bullish. So let's see what it does. Shut up, babe. Go to work.
I may get another bite at this apple. To the downside or to the upside. Oh.
You still want to short this right now?
Potential.
We are viewing
we are putting in a higher
very, very differently. We are viewing this very, very differently. But I see the thesis though. I think as long as that swing high. Go ahead.
If we can't get above the 14s where we keep rejecting every single time, then I think we're going to go lower. But if we get above them and then we come back and support it, then I would look for the long. But
I see that. I can see that. Essentially, the middle of that range, essentially, like where we were, the lower end of that range, we keep tapping into 50% of that previous range, or the previous low of that range. But now you got the ability to re-enter with profits. Yeah. Right, like instead of re-entering negative or break even, right, trying to get something out of the market. If you still believe in the trade, it's still available to you.
Yeah,
I don't believe in it, but I'm not trading it, right? Like It's your trade, right? That's irrelevant.
No,
But I'm
like
starting to believe.
This is the 5th test of that 14.
I know.
Just
It's like, yeah, but listen here. We test this motherfucking level one more time. We'll see. I do like the fact that we came into the 1050 macro bullish. It leads me to believe that we're going to leave the macro bearish. So by the time we hit 1110, we might be up to the other side, very bearish. So that is a very good sign. But I would still need to see that low break. I would just be really nervous starting a position down this low. That's the reason why I don't like it. I just don't like the area.
No, I agree with you. It's a little bit lower quality down here. It was much more higher quality when I got it up at that high, but
yeah. But I think it's only low quality because we haven't seen the rest of the painting yet.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like we can look back at 3 o'clock and be like, damn, you could have entered anywhere in this because we dropped 50 points from there, you know?
Mm-hmm. And now they're starting to load more prices up at well, they got that liquidity sitting there, but yeah. 14 is definitely the area right now they're trying to defend for sure.
Here comes the Dow. Here comes the Dow. Meanwhile, NQ giving you everything you wanted out of ES. Quick, too.
Here comes that drop.
There it goes. Let's see if we hold the low or we continue to push down.
This could be flagging.
Bear flagging? Yeah, the fact that we still can't take out that swing high is important. Right? I feel like that swing high is very important at that high, but the swing low is now important too. But we're making lower lows and lower highs as we come down into the low. And we failed to put in a new high when we went up. So logic should say that we should start trading back down, but we'll see. See what happens at 11. I just think as long as this low continues to hold at 09 through 05, even though it's a weak low, it could be building structure here. So hard to call right here. Like I said, for me, it's a lower quality area to begin a short, but that's only an opinion, right? Like I said, you could look back on the trade and this motherfucker could be dumping 100 points from this area. So sequentially, NQ is up to something. NQ looks real bear trappy. Let's see. Because unlike ES, NQ did get above a high. Structurally, they're very, very different right now. Will ES test 5503?
Oh, here we go.
There it goes. Let's see if it pushes into 5503 here. Oh, and there it went. God damn. It's like any attempt to break structure to the downside is just aggressively met with buying. It's like, shut up. Yo, this is crazy. 915 has been on my charts for about a week. It's resistance. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, essentially we're just at the bottom portion of the range. I just don't think we're going to go lower, right? If the market wanted to go lower, I feel like it would have started that descend already. I mean, I could be wrong, but right now I'm still looking at the fact that we had all of this huge buying coming in on the 15-minute chart for NQ. And right now we've been trading down for 30 minutes now. And this one 15-minute candle hasn't been taken out. Right. Same thing on ES. Like, we've been trading down for a very long time, for 30 minutes, and nothing's happened. So is that bearish or bullish? I think it's bullish. Some could argue it's bearish. We'll see. I know one thing. The longer we stay down here,
whoa.
Yeah, I tell you this, the longer we stay down here, the more bullish this market becomes, because the more selling comes in here of people trying to short this low, the more they're going to get trapped and they're going to be fucking liquidity. So short this shit at your own risk this low. That's all I would say. Yeah. I think it's, for the way that I trade, I like to trade the extremes. And we're not at the extreme high right now. We're at the extreme low. Just area over anything else. Where are we in price right now? On the day, right? On the day, this is the lowest point we've been on the day. Am I going to short the lowest point on the day? No. I'm going to see if buyers want to step in at the lowest point of the day, right? So that's the reason for me, I wouldn't be looking to short it. I understand the thesis for a quick scalp as well. That could potentially turn into a more longer term hold, but I mean, look at what they're doing to bears right now. If you got in short where Justin got in at 21, you're in pain, right? Like you're nervous right now, right? You didn't take profits at the low. It gave you a second chance to get out for like 2 seconds, and you didn't take profit right there. Guess what the market's doing? It's setting your ass up for the kill, right? If you don't know where the liquidity is, you're gonna fuck around and be the liquidity, right? So. And remember, we still
14s now. I'm not sure in this. We can way too aggressive. I'm not sure. I just noted the fact we're testing the 14. We ran that low and came right back up.
You heard I started giggling because I'm like, boy, I didn't heard this sentence on the replay.
No. We're testing the 14s, but if anything, I'd want to see us come back down and then and hold the 9s or hold the 7s.
For me to get short, we'd have to come all the way back up to your entry and fail, or sweep it and fail, because I don't want to enter. Because right now, if we're just looking at the range, the current range, right? The low is 55.04. The high is arguably 55.15 or 55.24. Right, if we're talking about this amount of time that we've been sitting here, then it will be 55.15. So if you short that high, right, then what would be your target on the shorts? Just the low down there at 55.04?
I'd be if I got short here, I'd be just targeting that 2-hour demand at 501, 50, 501, 25. Let's get down to that.
That makes sense. I mean, if you believe in 14. Then when we hit 14, that would be my entry, and I would only give it 1 point. I'd be like, I only believe, you know what I mean? Like that's how I would play it, right? Like, because Carmine put out a video yesterday, and he was doing kind of that same thing. He was like, the only reason why I'm in this trade is because of this price action. I'm only giving this shit less than 1 3/4 points, because if we break this, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. So like maybe that's something you could think about, where it's like, okay, I see 14 acting as strong resistance. I'm going to get short at 14, and I'm only giving it 1 point from 14. Yeah. That way you limit your risk, right? But you're also taking trades at the exact area where you see pain, right? Because sometimes what you'll do is you'll see that 14, but you won't enter until 10. It's like, well, the pain was at 14. 10 could be the retracement back up, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why that entry, for me anyway, especially when using the tape, the entry is very important to get in where you see the pain. Because if you wait, you could be in pain. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. And there's a lot of positive delta up there too. I don't know if that's.
And just looking at the macro, your thesis is spot on, right? Like, so based off time, when we come into a macro bullish like this at the 1050 candle, I anticipate the market trading down by 1110, right? So by 1110, we should be breaking the structure. So that's why I said, like, if you think that's the high, you know, at 54.14, that's your re-entry point, or 55.15 or whatever it is, you know, that's your re-entry. And like I said, you only need to risk 1 or 2 points.
Yeah, I just mean this is a tough area because we are at the low.
I agree.
We're bouncing. It looks like we're trying to put an inverse head and shoulders right here.
Yep, the opposite way, right? Yeah. Yep. That's
trying to do.
That's what it looks like to me too. Like that sweep of 55.05.50 was not what I wanted to see from the Bears. Like I wanted to see the Bears continue down, and we never really got that. So
yeah, we just swept the high and we swept the low. But we swept the low first and then swept the high, so that's pretty bullish.
I think we're coming for 727. Yeah, I think that's a possibility. I think so. Like I said, I think if we break through this liquidity, we could come to 727. I think 1110 could bring us there, right? We just continue to consolidate inside of this 1050 macro. We break the low before hitting 1110, and then we come back up one more time and then straight up flush. I can see that. I just don't trust the area, right? I like the macro. I like everything about it except the area, right? And to me, the area is key. So if I'm not in this already, I'm not starting a position down here. Like it's just not gonna happen, right?
What, for
Yeah, for the shorts. Yeah, for shorts. The only position I would be looking to get into down here is longs.
Yeah, I kind of like the long thesis down here too, honestly. Even though like we just broke over the 15s, but there was a really large seller down here at like the 08s, 07s. And that's the same area where we bounced initially. So we bounced at like 07.75 or whatever, came back up. We tried to sell again. We bounced there again. And then we finally broke there, but now we're coming back down to retest that seller, and he could be in trouble. So
yeah, bearish trend line liquidity, looking for a run to the upside. I agree.
Yeah,
that's kind of where I'm looking at it. I think they about to run
that double top.
Yeah, I think they're gonna.
Go ahead.
No, you go ahead.
I was gonna say I think we're gonna run it back up to where my entry was when we were initially looking to get short. I think we're going back up there.
That's exactly, and that's what I was saying would be the area I would target for the longs, or I would look to start a short position. But now I wouldn't, because of how much time we spent down here, right? Because now I feel like we're building value at these lows, and if we come back up there, we're gonna look like we're bearish for a second, only to run the high and go higher. So if I'm not starting a position down here, I'm just sitting on my hands. I already stacked 1700 on my one PA today, so I'll take a 200 risk on that with the micro. Yeah, I'm done. My goal this week is to not worry about the cash. Yes, it's a thing, and I'm happy that I'm making progress on this 100K account and on my 150K account, but I promise you, I'm not even worried about the money. Like it's fun to talk about and to discuss it, but I'm just trying to focus on the process, guys. Like I can't tell you how many hours I spend in front of these computers, right? Like really just trying to dial in my strategy, right? So today I felt good. And I think the biggest thing for me that I studied this weekend was the 30-second chart, right? I refamiliarized myself with my entries on the 15 and 30-second chart. And that's what I was using to get my entries today. And I could see the precision on my entries being a lot better with a lot more confidence and a lot less risk because of me entering on a smaller time frame. So I'm definitely glad I spent a little extra time on that this weekend. Well, this chop is crazy.
Yep. Pulling the consolidation station.
Oh yeah, you had to wait through one more pullback to get that 0650, huh?
Yeah.
I just saw your profit target. I was like, oh, it wasn't the sweep of the low. I mean, it was the sweep of the low. It wasn't the base of the low. Still a dynamic trade. I like it. Oh, and you sized down. That's right. Yeah. Nice, nice, bro.
Yeah, it was only 5 micros.
Yeah, which makes you feel a lot more comfortable too.
Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't too worried if I lost. It was whatever.
Yeah,
But it was a
yeah.
good setup. I liked it. So yeah, now we're just consolidating.
Mm-hmm. Smells like walk time. It looks so hot outside. Oh my god, bro! My dog. Remember I told you like I can't. The same shit happened to my other Beats headphones that happened to yours. Like you fell asleep one night and you couldn't find them.
Oh, yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
So same thing happened to me. No, I did not find them. And then I bought new ones, right? Like a couple months ago. Fell asleep with one in my ear last night.
You lost it.
No, my dog chewed it up for breakfast.
Oh no, it's even worse.
My wife woke up and heard. Yeah, I would have rather lost it. Yeah. My wife said she woke up and heard some crunching. She got up and was like, "Oh, you're dead meat." She's like, "You're gonna die."
Yeah, I'd much rather lost them.
I pretty much shed a tear before I went to bed. I was just like, "Yeah, this is why I'm not fucking with these shorts down here. No way." But I pretty much shed a tear, you know, just looking at what could have been, you know. I was like, and it's my right ear, so it's like the noise canceling factor on my right ear is much better. I don't know, I hear better out of my right ear than I do my left ear, so like, yeah, it sucked. It was an RIP moment. Long at 55.11.75. I think that's a good long.
It's a good long, but we just ran that high and failed.
I just think I think that if you're gonna long it, maybe look to get long on the sweep next time down there where we swept that low at 55.05. Look to get long in that area, right? That's where the power is gonna come from. It puts you ahead of the game a little bit, anticipating the sweep of that low of 55.05. Just food for thought.
Yeah, because now we just swept the high and came right back into this range again.
Yep. And now you're kind of in. I think you're on the right side of price. It's just going to be uncomfortable if it doesn't push out and it sweeps the low one more time.
Yeah, this area definitely. I don't like this area for anything right now. We spent too much time down here, and the market's too indecisive. I personally think that we might go lower just after that sweep and seeing the bulls kind of get ate up there. I'm not going to lie, but I could be wrong.
Yeah, just the VIX for me. As long as the VIX is at 85-ish and dropping, like I just can't put any faith in the bears to go lower.
Well, we could do one of those things where we just like consolidate here for a while until we decide to go lower or reverse.
Yep. And here comes the extra crispy consolidation time frame. All right, there's us trading back down, but we're trading back down into structure right at 11:10. So if this candle doesn't bring us a sweep of the low, I think we go up from this candle.
Yeah, I'm viewing the buyers as being weak / trapped after that run. So we'll see if they can push their way up here. But
you think the buyers are trapped right now?
Yeah. They're buyers that are trapped in the 16s. But I mean, if we get above them, then I guess they're good to go.
but I mean, the buyers that are in profit are coming from 55.05, right?
Yeah, but and they're fine. They're fine. But those buyers could look to get out if we can't, you know what I'm saying? Like they could be looking to cover.
Yeah, if they can't. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I just look at all those new buyers that came in, but it looks like we're gonna get above them anyway, so it should be fine. But
yeah, I think this thing's gonna push. I think we're coming for Valdez liquidity today, baby. Liquidated. Oh, okay. Oh, in the 50Ks. What's wrong, Jay? Oh, we gotta pause. We gotta pause for Justin's usual dramatic effect here.
No, they're just really out here. They're just really out here trying to buy. That's all.
Okay. I just think we're in a range, right? Like we just pulled into a nice tight ass range. And if you're trying to long the breakout, you're getting smoked. If you're trying to long the breakdown, you're gonna get smoked, right? So I think ultimately the market is gonna go up, but not before it steals its food first. It has to steal from the poor. I just don't think the VIX is strong enough for me to believe that the market is going to go down from here. Like the market has just never done that, right? In this entire uptrend, the market just hasn't been able to consolidate at a low and then go lower, right? Like we just haven't seen it, right? And I think we only see it when the VIX gets, more aggressive. I would love to see it. I would much love to see the market just fucking dump on everybody. The VIX gets aggressive and everybody's happy. The volatility's back. We don't have to sit through 3 hours of consolidation, but it's just not happening. What up, Mike? How you doing, brother? You better be taking them damn profits over there, bruh. 2 combines green, 2 combines red, calling it. Hey, that's break even. That's break even. I only traded 1. Nope, I'm good. I'm good. Everything is green. Yeah, that was the long, fellas. Zoom. Damn it. I had to take it, man. God damn it, why do I gotta be this way? Why do I gotta be this way? I was trying to tell him. I kept trying to tell him. I spent the block over here on a different account. I'm done on the 100K account. I hit max profit, but I'm on a different account. I got it at 907. I'm up 122 ticks right now. I just don't believe in the shorts. No fucking way I'm shorting this market down here. No way. Fuck them. And you know what my target is about this? You want to know what my target is about this? Would you like to know what my target is about this? You think so small. Yeah, you think so small. You think so minute. Yeah. I got a target in mind. It's 305.50. I'm joking about this. I'm kidding. They like, motherfucker, what the fuck do you think is about to happen today? What do you think is going on today? Huh. Stranger things have happened though, I guess. Great fucking start to the week, man. Excellent start to the week. I just couldn't help myself on this one, man. I just couldn't help myself. Yeah, don't copy trade, man. Don't copy trade, bro. Yeah, gotta work. Nah, he's saying he's trying not to copy instead of switching combines. Mike was at one point in time copy trading. Yeah, bro. You can find a move everywhere, especially on NQ, right? Like that's one thing that I did learn is like, bro, ain't no sense of copy trading this shit. Like, it's just not worth it. All right, if we can't hold settlement, I'm out of this trade. Huh? It's in profit now. I knew you was gonna say that. I literally just said if we can't. He said, man. I had to learn that. No. I'm locking in 40 ticks right now. So essentially 10 points. Yeah, I lock in. I went back to the old days. Remember the old days where we used to just lock in 10 and then everything else was kind of noise. So it was like, okay, no matter what happens, we're locking in the 10 points. Those $100 add up, right? As opposed to losses, I'd rather have the $100 than a bunch of fucking break evens or losses. Like, fuck that. Give me the 100. Give me the 100. Because if it dumps, then it just gives me another entry. right? But I secure something out of the trade, right? Especially when we're this choppy, right? If we break out, then hey, we good. We good business. It's good money down here though. Hobbs be like, this shit going to 350. Hey, this is my life, man. I built this shit, bitch. Let's go. Yeah, that's exactly how I am. Every day I come to the market saying we go to all-time highs. And one of these days, I'm going to look at y'all and be like, told you. I think today has a chance, right? Like, I mean, just think about it, right? We sold off all night, right? We've been selling off all day. We can't break the low, right? I don't know. Been a lot of selling going on today. What, is the CBD red right now?
Massively.
He said, oh, massively. You know? This feels like, I don't know. Feels short squeezy. Short squeezy McSqueezy-ish. All right, we're holding settlement here. Let's see if we can continue to push above settlement. That means I'm not coming. Justin's looking for shorts up here.
No, I'm not. I gotta. No.
Don't do this, Jess. Don't do this, Jess. I think shorts are still valid as long as. Yeah, it definitely does. NQ has no chill, bro. Hey, listen. Nope. I'm sticking to my thesis. I'm locking in $100, and I ride this bitch to London highs, and then what? That's where it's at. Yeah, my exit here. I'll show you. My exit is 40 ticks up, so 10 points, which puts me under settlement price, right there. Yeah, so no matter what, like I'm locking in the $100.
They don't charge you for a no-show?
I'm not familiar with Delta and how it works. That's mostly an options thing, isn't it? No. Delta, you're thinking about the Greeks. When we talk about Delta, we're basically talking about the difference in buyers and sellers at a certain price, right? So let's just say price is at 19,931 right now, and let's say the Delta was negative 100, right? That means that all of the buying and all of the selling that was at that level, the sellers won that level by 100, right? So that's in a nutshell what Delta is. So when it's positive, the bulls are in control of that level. When it's negative, the bears are in control of that level. So
it looks like they may be trying to defend price back at where I got short. We'll see.
Yeah, these motherfuckers looking weak up here. Come on, man. Y'all ain't do all of this buying just to fucking go back down, did you? Did you? Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. I don't know about it. Is that 200 looking real good right now? Come on, go up there. Fuck Valdez. His $200. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go, girl. Get up there. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Why we gotta play these games every day? I hate low volatility. I hate it. Hated it.
All right, dope.
What's up?
I'll tell you after the show. It's nothing nothing too important. Not a too big deal. I can't ruin it yet for the YouTubes. Actually, I'll type it to you.
Private chat text message.
I just
we
said
go through this every time you do this to me.
I just said I'll type it to you.
Every time you do this to me, just to be on some secret sauce. All right, I'm getting the fuck out of this. I don't like this. All right, I'm out for 200 right there. Maybe we go back up. I don't care. My patience was running thin, and if I saw a sweep at settlement again, I was like, nope. Oh, look at that. Good exit plan, Hobbs. I'll lock in the $200 right there. Yeah. He said, let me get that liquidity, Hobbs. Yeah, we was just playing around at that high too long, man. Good on you if you took those shorts right there. My stop is up at 997. Nice. Wait, 997? The fuck? Oh, you're in 1 micro. That's right. Dang, I should have been looking to short this shit. Screw you guys. I'm a bull, baby. I don't get short. The fuck? Even though my best trades were shorts on the day.
Okay. There you go.
What you got?
I sent it to you in the private chat.
Why you just didn't? What's so secretive about that?
Because it's secret. They can't know yet.
Oh my god! Justin is such a child sometimes.
I can't ruin it.
When I tell you this shit is so not a secret,
it is 100% a secret.
I tell you this shit.
I signed
so not a secret.
I signed NDAs and shit, so I can't talk about it.
Okay, sure,
Why?
Bucko.
Why?
Bro, easy. Easy. The Dow really about to become my new homie. I just got to study it a little longer. Like, I like everything about it. What you mean? On you talking about on the Dow? See, and this is why you need to go to the charting school of Hobbs, because you would have had no. See, I wasn't even gonna say that. No. Also wrong. Listen, G, go and look at Friday's high and mark that on your chart. That's it. It wasn't no supply zone. It wasn't nothing, none of that shit. It was just 817. Yeah, we rejected 10 points away from that. All right, here's another long opportunity right here, guys. I got faith in these loans. Nah, I think we go up. Fuck what you talking about? I think we go up. Go gadget. Go gadget in Q. Yeah, I'm locking in some profit here. All right, cool. Damn, come on, go. Locking in 5 ticks. Ooh. No, it's Q. No. Bro, when it's choppy like this, I go to fucking profit so fast. The second that shit goes in profit, I be like, give me that. Come on, man. Bro, bulls, like, they can't stop us, bro. We only go up, son. That's it. Go up. Come on. Short squeeze. Let's go. Come on. No. Don't reject there. Go on, keep going. Put these motherfuckers underwater. Do the thing. Oh my God. Just do it already. All right, we're up another 40 ticks. We're gonna lock in 10. I don't trust it. I feel like I should trust it, but I just don't. All right. Worst case scenario, we take home $20. Best case scenario, we take out Valdez's liquidity. This is a much better entry, though. I like this. Woo! Come on, baby. Come on, take the high. Short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze. Let's go. Get your ass up there. Get the fuck out the way, man. All right, we'll lock in 40 ticks right there.
God,
Make sure we lock it in another $100. What, when I say short squeeze?
No, he's like, get the fuck out the way, man. Sound like Kevin Hart.
All right, we lock it in 40 ticks right there, right above settlement price. Give me that, girl. Give me that. NQ. I missed you, boo. 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 Boo, 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 boo. All right. Oh, God. Don't fucking do that. Don't do that. Relax, bro. Relax. Come on. Keep going. All right. We're locking in 50 ticks there. Locking in $1.50 at 61 ticks. Let's go. Let's go. I knew this squeeze was coming. Ah! Come on. Come on. Locking in $200 right there. Another 300 on the day, just off those quick 2 trades, right? Just understanding what's going on down here, right? And now we're cool. I'm not gonna move my stop anymore. I think we're squeezing now. All right, we're good. You have a problem? I do. I love price action. What are you gonna say? You know what you say? All right, I'm done for the day. I'm done. Entries save lives, baby. Oh, Chicago Shine. Chicago Shine, you in the building?
Yeah, he is.
Chicago Shine, I have a new sponsorship available. Would you like it? Would you like to be sponsored for 1 month in the shop? Rent free. No strings attached. Just work, baby. Just work. If so, please DM myself or Justin on Twitter and we'll send you a link to the Discord. You have been chosen, sir, to be our newest sponsorship for the month of July, courtesy of thou name who not shall, the name shall not be named. Shut up, Valdez. Shut your ass. All right, we're locking in a, yeah. All right, we locking in 100 ticks, baby. Locking in 100 ticks, baby. It's like cocaine crack, baby. Woo! We in the bag today, baby. We in the bag today. Give me that shit. Yes, sir. I bet. DM me or Justin on Twitter, and we'll get you in right away, brother. And like I said, there's no obligation for you to stay beyond that month. You know, I'm not sure if our other sponsors members stay, but even if you don't, like it doesn't matter to us. We're just trying to help you out. And you know, somebody was generous enough to gift sponsorships for per month, so we're gonna give them out. So, all right, we stopped all out for 101 ticks right there. Great fucking trade. Look for a retest. If you're looking to get back in this thing, look for a retest of what is this? If you want to get another entry, probably look for a retest of settlement at 928 to 927. Right? We just broke that high, so the previous high, previous low. Look for that retest at 928 for another entry on this trade. I'm done for the day because I will do this shit all fucking day, and I'm trying to stop myself. But it is very, very refreshing when you come to work after doing the work, and then you see the work out. So excited. I'm excited. Locking everything out right now, though. Closing everything now. We out of here. Let's get it. Screen's closed for the day, baby. I'll spin the block on their ass tomorrow. NQ is Bay. NQ is Bay. Sheesh. What a fucking entry, bro.
Here come these sellers again. The market's got to get above this level right here on ES. I don't know where we're at on NQ. Oh, damn, NQ. Why does NQ seem like it's in a much smaller range than ES? Structurally, they look completely different.
I got them both at the. You remember when I drew that chessboard this morning?
Mm-hmm.
The low box, right? They're both at the low box, and they both just swept back above the low box. For me, anyway, right?
Yeah, I mean they look bullish, but fuck.
Oh no, no, it doesn't look clean at all. At all. I wouldn't hold this shit. Like that's why I was trailing it. I was like, nope. Wherever this is going, I'm trailing this shit. Bang, 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 bang.
NQ already got above that high rejection, where ES has not.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah, Chicago Shun, email or DM us, and we'll send you a link for the Discord. We'll get you roles, and then you'll be good to go. And then, like I said, if you want to continue with us, that's up to you. At the end of the month, we'll send you a DM on Discord, letting you know that your sponsorship has expired, and then we'll just say, hey, no hard feelings or nothing like that. Still fuck with you. Ain't never gonna diss you. You know what I'm saying? But we still run a business at the same time. So, matter of fact, I got some business to take care of right now. Be right back. Bro, I could have been done a long time ago. I got greedy. I'm not gonna lie. I just kept seeing setups. I was like, all right, okay, all right. I was like, if this is what we about to be on, then I'm just gonna keep doing what I do. All right. What time is it? Is it 11 yet? 10:34? You ready to go, Jay?
I'm ready. I might take I might take one more trade if this setup presents itself, but I'm pretty much done on the day.
Okay, awesome. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it started off a little slow, but as per usual, we traded what we saw and we managed risk. Right, that's all we can do in these markets. Continue to grow every single day. We'll do a market review. We'll talk about the trades that we took. We'll discuss the ins and outs of the market and how we're viewing the market after today's price action. I personally believe today's price action is only getting started. I personally believe that we go back up near or to all-time highs by the end of the day. I think that this consolidation is 4-hour demand that's being built. And I think this is the low of the day was put in at around 950. That's my thesis. And I think by the end of the day, we're going to be much, much higher than where we are today. Shout out to Chicago Sean, our newest sponsored member of the Discord. Get your butt over here and send me a DM. Wait, pause. No Diddy. I am tripping. That's crazy. Nah, just shoot the DM, bro, so we can get you the invite and get you loaded up in the Discord and get you learning right away, man. Because 30 days in the Discord, we're gonna try to, get you coached up as much as possible and get you to learn as much as you possibly can. And like I said, it's up to you if you want to stick around. Yeah, I know, bro. No Diddy. For real. But only thing we ask is that you work hard, you show up every day, right, as much as you can, and then you absorb as much as you can and ask as many questions as humanly possible. Go watch the videos in the Discord. Go take in as much knowledge as possible. Don't waste it, right? Our last two members, one of them is still with us. I'm not sure if the other one is. I did just remove his roles this morning, but I did send him a DM, letting him know that, hey, the membership is ended. So if he still wants to fuck with us, he can. If not, it's all good. No hard feelings, man. We just want to try to help as much as possible. So, Jay, your thoughts on the market and your trading?
Ass in those DMs as quick as possible, baby.
I can't stand you. I hate you. knew that was gonna happen.
Oh, slap!
As soon as I said it, I was like, damn. Yeah, fan.
You know
He a fan.
You know what? I had a.
Oh yeah. And we got FOMC minutes tomorrow, I think.
I think those are
Wednesday?
those are a couple days later.
Oh no, it's probably Wednesday. It usually drops. On
Yes, it's Wednesday. Yeah, it's
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
It's usually Wednesday.
Yeah.
He's just talking at some random symposium.
Yeah.
Before market open, like or at market open, I think.
Yeah. And you already well, at least it's not Jackson Hole. You're not allowed to trade Jackson Hole ever.
No. Look, if there's a Jackson Hole event, keep Hobbs away from that shit. Like I have PTSD from Jackson Hole.
Yeah, you're not allowed to trade Jackson Hole. So we're trying to double top up here, but anyway,
Justin want to trade this shit so bad. He like,
just
it looks like we sure double topping up here.
Just throwing it out there. But yeah, good trading day. I was patient. I didn't take as many trades. To be honest, my one setup was kind of on the fly. I didn't notice it until I noticed it, but I'm happy that I did. And I took it and definitely going to work a little bit more on my management. I definitely was a bit greedy. Did we hit my profit target? We did, but there was a lot of pain there that I didn't really have to sit through if I would have just, taken it. So it's all good, day by day, getting better. But definitely a really good start to the week. Good start to the week. To the week.
Dying to start the week, huh? Like,
yeah. Well, I mean, hey, there probably are some people in the wake after.
Oh
today.
Yeah, some of them shorts down at the low.
Yeah. Well, yeah, the shorts down at the low, trying to long the market because I damn sure was looking at long in the market till this thing flushed. But anyway, good job everybody, and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And it's a short week, so the 4th of July should be fun. Hopefully everybody can enjoy the day off.
I don't know about how you feel about Friday, but I'm not trying to stream on Friday.
I'm not going to be here on Friday. I knew you weren't. I wasn't going to come either.
Yeah.
I'll put I think it's pretty understood that on holidays we're probably not showing up.
Probably not showing up. So
unless somehow
but I won't be on YouTube.
In which case he'll definitely be trading it. If Christmas holiday was a trading day, Hobbs would be all up in there for sure. Yes. At least 100%. At least until it was time to open up presents. You will get to that.
We open up presents before the market opens. So we've been at open up presents, ate food. I'd be like, everybody good? Cool? I bet. I'm gonna go in the office real quick.
I'm for Christmas. I think I'm gonna get you like a chart, like just like an NQ chart. It's gonna be an NQ chart, and it's gonna have the face of Cheyenne on there and be like your second baby within your first baby or something. I don't know.
No, you know what I want? I want a mouse pad just like the one I got, but I want chart patterns on it. They have one, but it's not the one with the chargeable mouse and stuff on it. But anyway, that's not the chargeable mouse, but the chargeable phone. Remember I showed you this one? It's got the
I forgot that you had that's why did I you need to bring that up more often. I need one of those.
I'll get you one for Christmas.
Nah, it's not.
Soon as you issue out our Christmas bonus, I will get you one for Christmas.
I'll get you
as soon as you divvy out the Christmas, I ain't even thought about saving money for Christmas. I was like, I already know where my money's coming from. So as soon as Big Dog delivers the bread for Christmas, hey, what you want for Christmas, Jay? You want one of these? I got you, bro. Say less. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for tapping into the Trader Shop. We appreciate you. Please make sure you tip the barbers, leave a comment, let us know how we're doing. If not, we will catch you guys tomorrow. My name is T. Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.
Look at these bulls go.
Another sweep, bro. I'm telling you, every time this market sweep, just buy that shit. Just buy it. They might as long as the VIX dumps, bro, like this shit might go to all-time highs today. Y'all think I'm joking. But I'm looking at the VIX completely dump right now. Like, I think the market's revving up for a really big move on the day. And I think it's right to all-time highs. Like, this is short squeeze territory.
It is pretty bullish that we got below the low and then reclaimed it. Then they tried again and then failed again.
All right. I'm going to go for my, you know what? I'm going to go for my walk. And by the time I come back, I'm just gonna post a picture at all-time highs and be like, told y'all motherfuckers. Fade me at your own risk.
That's a little weird, though.
Well, Justin's still looking for ways to get short. What's weird, Jay?
Oh, just the lack of buying on the way up here.
It's just
a little weird.
You saw him start moving. That motherfucker started rocking back and forth when he saw that double top. He was like,
I did see the double top. I was like, ooh, that's a nice little double top right there. I ain't gonna lie to you, but
I think we could come down to the bottom of the range one more time though to support your bearish thesis. Maybe coming into that 1150 macro. I just wouldn't touch it in between these two macros. Right? This is the no-no zone.
I'm done. I'm done trading because I know if I get into it now, this is the time where I end up taking my most losses. So I'm just gonna watch it, but I'm not trading.
Between 1110 and 1150, I don't fucking touch the market. I don't give a shit what it's doing. I do not touch it. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to continue trading, I will leave NQ up, but I am going to go for my walk now. And great trading day on the day, guys. We fucking killed it. No need to be here, bro. Don't even watch it. If you're not trading, don't even sit in here, right? If everybody's done trading, I will close this down. Like Trista, no, I be randomly coming this motherfucker, shutting this bitch down because I don't like to look at this shit either, right? I leave it up for you guys, but the longer I look at it, the more opportunity I see, right? And sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. So I just try to make sure I try to stay as focused as possible. And Jayhawk, are you here? He may be balls deep in a car right now. Here comes the short squeeze.
I don't know. What did you just say? You said
Justin,
you some what?
Justin, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a serious question right now, Justin.
What?
You still want to short this market? Yeah, that's the other question I wanted to ask you. Why the fuck were you looking to get to short at these damn lows, bro? I'm throwing this man every signal I can give him, like, Justin. It might work out, but this shit is not gonna last, bro. Not down here.
I spotted absorption up there, but I knew we were at the low. I knew it was lower quality. I knew I probably wasn't gonna take it, but
when you say it's lower quality, that means something else in that same area is of higher quality. So why not take the higher quality setup in the direction of price as opposed to trying to fight it? I think that's where you get yourself in a lot of trouble, right? Because you end up taking the lower quality setup when the higher quality setup is sitting right in your lap, right? 5507 was the entry for the longs, right? Yeah, I know. Y'all ain't gonna stop to this motherfucking gigasyn on y'all ass. I hope this motherfucker go ham to the upside. I hate all you.
This is another short opportunity for sure. I'm not gonna take it, but
right.
This is definitely looking like a nice short.
All right. You know what? I'm gonna go for my walk, and let's see what the market is when I get back. How about that?
I mean, that was a pretty bearish 1 minute candle right there. We still got to break
fuck
that
the 1
low.
minute. You give a fuck what's happening on the goddamn 1 minute? Fuck that goddamn 1 minute candle. Fuck that motherfucker too. Look at the 90 minute. Look at the wicks on the fucking 90 minute chart. Look what happened when we broke the lows on the 90 minute at 55.11 on ES. Look what happens when we broke the look what happened when we broke the lows at 55.05. All right, short this motherfucker. You short this motherfucker down here if you want to.
The 90 minute does look pretty bullish, but
I'm just saying, just zoom out, man. Fuck the 1 minute. Look at the 90 minute. You know, the 4 hour looks good as long as we stay below 36. Yeah, facts. I'm out too, man. Fuck y'all. I'm going. I ain't talking to y'all no more. Yeah, fuck y'all motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm out of here.
No, Lord.
He said, I don't even know why I'm looking at the chart. Fuck.
I'm not taking any more trades. I'm just gonna observe what happens.
Yeah, you are. What was your rule, Justin?
I'm done. My top X.
Yes, trading yoga girl has infiltrated Justin. It's in his brain. My top of their step.
My top step X is closed.
How is this nigga Micaiah still texting? Oh,
you can still text.
We still live.
Oh my god.